Ireland, the Emerald Isle in winter. In Ireland, the placing of a lighted candle in the window of a house on Christmas Eve is meant to welcome strangers and remember those who are far away. It is also a symbolic invitation to Mary and Joseph that they are welcome, so there is a tradition of leaving the door unlocked. It is also a time for remembering the dead in Ireland, with prayers being offered for the deceased at Mass. It is common to decorate graves at Christmas with a wreath made of holly and other evergreens which represent everlasting life. The house will be cleaned, decorated, and prepared for the Christmas season. The chimney swept and the path made clear for Santa to bring presents to the children of Ireland, which are opened on Christmas morning. Even those who do not habitually attend church are generally expected to do so on Christmas. From the ancient carols at midnight Mass, to the musicians and carolers busking on main streets to raise money for charity, music plays a tremendous role in the holiday festivities in Ireland. Tonight, we take you to another central part of Irish social culture, the pub. Here we will gather for hot drinks, conversation, a reverent Christmas song, and a rollicking tune to shake the rafters and awaken the spirit of Christmas.
Ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. So 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. What was in those ships, all 3 on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day? And what was in those ships, all 3 on Christmas Day in the morning? Day in the morning.